Happening now, UPHS and Marquette nurses have reached a tentative agreement for a new contract. TV6's Julia Seitz shares what it is and what those next steps are.
After months of negotiations between UP Health System Marquette and its nurses, the two parties have reached an agreement. RN Staff Council President and nurse Christina Hansen says the hospital really came to the table. The contract even includes a new joint committee to review the staffing plans and staffing issues, which was a main issue nurses wanted addressed.
For our med-surg floor, they were taking up to, too many patients for the nurses. And they decreased the ratios or the number of patients that a nurse sees on that medical unit.
Nurses will also see wage increases of about 19% over 4 years and continue to be on their current health insurance. In a press release, UPHS Marquette Market Chief Executive Officer Tanya Darner says, "Our nurses play an incredibly vital role in the delivery of health care at our hospital, so we could not be more pleased to have reached a tentative agreement that meets the collective needs of our staff, the hospital, and the community." The nurse union members will vote on the tentative contract next week. Next up on the bargaining table is the Marquette ancillary staff and technologist contracts. MAST President Josh Bowman says the techs want to improve their insurance. This comes after Bowman says LifePoint changed the insurance in December without proper notice. He hopes that the hospital will put techs on the same plan as the nurses.
Bowman says MAST is happy for its nurse colleagues, but he's cautiously optimistic about the tech's own bargaining next week.
There are so many different parts that make up that puzzle of healthcare, and the hospital needs to remember that all of those parts work together and are important.
In a statement, Darner addressed the upcoming tech negotiations, saying, "We respect that MAST members have priorities, and we look forward to continued discussions that take into account the needs of their members, the hospital, and the community we serve. Our goal is to ensure UP Health System Marquette remains a strong, sustainable resource for patients and a supportive workplace for all staff." She says the hospital is committed to bargaining in the same manner as done with the nurses. Julia Seitz, TV6 News, Marquette.